Hey everyone, it's Mike from WordPress.com. I'm going to take a look at a shortcut for sharing your content on social. So what a lot of people lose momentum in doing is having to write your content on your website and then publish it and then take your link and go to a social media management tool and schedule it out and rewrite your posts and do all those things. Even in WordPress or WordPress.com with Jetpack, you have the ability to kind of like write up your post while you're writing it and then schedule it to go out when you publish it, which is cool. But a lot of times, the first time you share content on social media or in some places, people don't necessarily see it or they don't always open it. And so it's really good to reshare it later or at a different time with different copy and different images and things like that to make sure you're catching people's attention. Because even if they've followed you and they're interested in your content, they might not see it. What you put out the first time might not catch their attention. They might be on the go and not be a good time to read it, and they might not have an easy way to come back for it. So you always want to try to kind of get it in front of people more often. So one thing that saves a lot of time is, because you're going to be in your site writing and managing your site anyway, is just to go in here to posts. And so instead of opening every single post, you can actually click on the little ellipses here and you can go down to share. It's actually going to let you connect whichever accounts you want. So I have Twitter right now. I can connect my Tumblr account. So it'll manage which social accounts you have connected, and I can go back to my posts and I can say, okay, I want to share to Tumblr and I want to share to Twitter. I can write the message that I want to say. It'll give me a preview of whichever one I want, and it'll let me toggle between those. So if I want to see what it looks like on Tumblr, what it looks like, I don't have LinkedIn connected, so it'll let you preview whichever ones you have connected. So right now without text, that's not great for Twitter. So I know I need to go back and write something and do that. And so you can share that post. There's also this little calendar icon here, and you can schedule it. So while you're on this page, you could actually write 3, 4, 5 different ways to share that post and schedule them to go out in the future, which is pretty cool. You can do that all right now while you're thinking about it, versus having to remember to go back and do it at a later day or opening another tab for another social media tool or whatever you need. So that's kind of a quick trick for getting more of your marketing tasks done for your content and making sure that people have a chance to see it and read it, because I know I'm really bad at that.